Yo, what's up from the Sanur, Bali, Indonesia? Actually from Sopot, but it's also start with S, and it's
Right.
also C and everything, just in Poland. But generally speaking, ocean vibe, very
We are
similar
in
vibe actually.
Baltic Sea.
Sopot, Sanur, but looks the same.
Sonora.
Pretty similar vibe actually. Yes, you can see people enjoying their beach and stuff. We're gonna have a fish. Let's go.
Yay! We arrived. I think that we drove about 4 hours.
Supposed to be three, but was the traffic jam
Yes,
accident and
yes.
took us 5 hours though.
Yeah. So now we are in Sopot, especially the beach side. It reminds me again. This area is just like a Sanur vibe in Bali. You know, white sand beach and then family friendly and everywhere people enjoying the time by the beach. And look, like this. And some people already swim. And now it's about 24 25 degrees.
Which is
So
enjoyable.
yeah, so because the previous days was not really good weather, so now it's nice weather. So yeah, let's have dinner first. Kohanya, I'm already hungry.
Lunch, dinner. And then I show you the beach situation, people enjoying. There is the restaurant behind, that's where we're gonna go. Hotels behind. Yeah, some Marriott's hotels and other very fancy hotels. There is the harbor somewhere there behind, the boats. And generally, that's how does it look like. The name, Sopot.
Kohanya, I really like your shirt. It's really matched with the view, the garden.
No, thank you, sayang.
So what do you think about this restaurant?
Feels like blood. Feels like in Sanur in Bali, isn't it? Look, the colorful flowers, sitting like birds quirking and everything. It feels like this one, no?
And then over there is actually the walking street. As you see that many people are walking.
And there's beach.
That's the beach over there, and it's really like nice and cozy area. So tak. So while waiting for our food, and I'll show you that's the restaurant where we sit, and here is the beach front. You see that many people are enjoying the time. That's I think that the beach boys, kind of something like that, who look after the people here on the beach. And here, look, that's the molo or the pier over there. I think that later after lunch we will go there. And yeah, this is the vibe mostly here in Sopot. So I'm so happy to be in the ocean again. I'm in on the beach again. Look how clean the water. And you see many kids are already swimming on the beach like this. So nice. It's beautiful. So peaceful. So walk and stroll on the beach. It's nice. Soft sand. Pretty. It's really nice feeling actually, coming back to the beach vibes. Even like, driving for about 4 hours. But like I explained so many times, Poland has so many things. In the north, they've got like a Baltic Sea, just like this. The vibe is just like this, white sand beach and calm, ocean, calm sea or something like this. And yes, mostly people are coming during the summer, and the summer situation is just like this. So on the south of Poland, they have a mountain, and Tatra mountain. It's just like, all you can have in Poland, from the beach side and also from the mountain vibe. So that's why I told my husband I'm really glad living in Poland, because I can have, like escape from the Poznan. Just like during the summer, I don't need to go too much further to enjoy the beach vibe. So yeah, this is how it looks. So I just show you. I don't know what to say. It's just like feel like I got a little bit nervous again. Seems like I coming back again to make a video and showing you how it is. I'll show you around. It's nice. Nice to hear the sound of the ocean again. So that's the name of the restaurant. The food is arriving. Kochanie. Hey. Smacznego. Kochanie. So this is the food actually served in the Baltic Sea, no?
No, that's the dorsch. That's the
Dorsch, the
Very
codfish.
popular in UK, by the way.
Oh, okay. It's just like the Polish ikan bakar, no?
No, kind of.
Oh, look at this. Smacznego. And what is it again? The salad. So this is
the
typical
salad.
Polish salad.
No.
Cabbage and what's the sauce?
Tzatziki, I order extra.
Okay.
So this is the cod with the baked potato. This is with mayo, and this one is sauerkraut, like German sauerkraut. How do you feel, Sam?
So good.
You happy we came? To
I don't know.
Sopot?
It's just like mixed feeling of nervous because of I don't know. I feel like I'm so happy, you know.
So happy, no? Oh. So how is your fish in Poland, Sam? Because I can see you eat with taste.
No sambal, but it's still like enjoying. You know, you
Enjoyable.
enjoy the food.
And look at the sunshine, the garden vibe. Feels like in Sanur, no? So we are walking. Behind is the ocean, the water actually. And look at this amount of people actually going there. Looks like, feels like Sanur, no?
The thing is that here is the walking path, and over there is the bicycle lane.
No, it's
Or
separate, no?
Whatever it is, you
No.
know, you can, you know, ride your what is it called?
The bicycle or whatever rolls. Ale nie mają. But they don't have a labubu.
Which is that's the beach vibe.
No? No?
This is really like
And look behind you, saying the name is Sopot, like Sanur. The same amount of letters. And start with S. And the restaurant? No tak. We had a fish actually, but this one is for the door. Yes, sir, what's happened? No tak. Next to the gate 28.
the thing is that
Every entrance have a gate. No. No tak.
the amount of the people, a lot.
No, pretty busy actually. Recently, right now, it's a gap where it's no, but generally, yes.
Yeah.
Alright. And then there's the famous the Sofitel in Sopot and the central main street and the Molo. That's where we're heading. And basically all of the bars here serving the dorsch, which is cod. For those what you see on the table, everything was 150 zloty approximately. I don't know how many dollars. You can calculate 150 zloty. And generally we can find this everywhere. Every few meters there are some restaurants. If you're not gonna find space in this one, will be another one, right?
No, I think that in every like 1 meter or 50 meters already, you know, nice restaurant, and you can choose whatever it is, you know.
And the entrance to the beach like this. And on the other side, actually, like on this one, they are like apartments or the hotels or the sometimes like Airbnbs and stuff. So plenty of options to stay. And this is city. This is actually called Street City in Gdańsk in Poland, which is Gdańsk. Sopot is like Sanur.
The thing is that you also have a bike for rent,
No,
and this is what reminds me about the salon.
don't tell me it's not similar. It's just like Polish version of Sanur. No, come on, it's everything the same. And also there is like a Gdańsk, Sopot, and on top is like a Gdynia. So yeah, pretty cool. Co to jest?
Panie, zobacz, this one
What is it?
Zonghua Hotel, which is to jest like chiński hotel, no?
No,
Chinese hotel.
no. Nice, but nice construction. European versions, eh? Polish version, no? Very nice. Wooden.
I think on renovation, no? Yes.
Under the renovation, yeah. So cool. Oh, with the view of the water from this one. Oh, look at this one actually. And look at this one actually, very nice. With the nice art and everything. Feels a little bit like back in Asia, but with the differences more organized and clean. This is already like a more city vibe, as you can see. People park. By the way, I would like to notice about the cleanliness and everything. And it's safe and quiet.
The most
I mean,
important
busy and quiet at the same time.
the most important thing, you walk, you feel safe.
No tak.
In the tourist place like this.
No tak.
In Sopot.
Okay, and not the souvenir shops. So this is how it is. But there have no labubu here yet.
Oh, nice coffee shop, kochanie.
No tak. Flamingo latte. Like my t-shirt, no?
No.
Very nice actually. No, look like Sanur Nusadua vibe. Just don't...
Premium.
No. Ale you cannot say at least not little bit of similar.
No.
Alright, let's go more.
Let's go over there.
And this is already the city of Sopot. And the
And
Sofitel
over
hotel.
there, which is on the left side.
Park, everything.
Very well organized.
Very organized. Sayang chce, to jest Pikachu here.
Look, zobacz, to jest Pikachu, to nie jest labubu.
Ja chcę labubu.
To nie jest labubu.
Ja chcę labubu. Ale Pikachu can do also. Ale labubu will be better. Oh, and the entrance to the beaches everywhere. And the city there. So this is legendary Sofitel Hotel in Sopot.
Kochanie, zobacz. This is again. That's the Ratusz or the
Ratusz
hotel?
and hotel. Both.
Listen, they also have a kind of the basket actually on the street.
No tak.
Which is
They have a
how
bus.
romantic it is.
No
No,
tak.
the city, no?
No tak, look at this. So lovely, isn't it?
Look at the ladies, kochanie, zobacz. So pretty.
No tak.
Even the basket dress up so pretty, and
No
people
tak.
are here dressing up so nicely.
No tak.
You know? Elegance.
Gdańsk. Free city of Gdańsk. Sopot, Sanur.
Look at this. Oh, there are so many entertainment as well.
No tak. It's actually nice here during the sunset time. Like my old days walking and filming. Labubu? Nie ma.
Nie ma brabu.
Labubu. And they have this electric bicycles here. This is the difference. Mevo.
Oh, here is famous.
Amber.
This one, Amber.
No tak. So this is the Amba. Yep. I never saw actually these bicycles like this before anywhere in other cities.
And look at on the left.
No tak, restaurants, this thingy, and this is already the main promenade. Alright, so this is legendary Molo area, which is the center of Sopot. We were last time in Molo, which is like a pier generally in English, but you are not interested to go this time to pier, no? How you doing? How you doing? They collecting money for something, as always. That's normal. Molo is there.
Molo is there, and here is
The main center. The main center.
the entertainment.
Entertainment. That's the thing. And this is probably one of the best hotels here in Poland in general, Sofito, especially with the sea view. And this is the Squid Game carousel. Squid Game carousel. Have you watched the Squid Game, guys? Let me know. We are big fans of the Squid Game. Alright, and this is the pier over there. So it looks a little bit like Santa Monica, but there is no devil's wheel.
And look at the park, the flowers. Oh, so pink, you know.
Pięknie, tak? That's the vibe. There you go to beer.
Kochanie, take me to the shop, small shop.
What shops? What shops I am? Dobra, idziemy.
So, if you want to go to the pier or the mall over there, which is, you have to pay the ticket. It's about 10 zloty, and this one is the Casa Mulo. Because last time I was there, so now I just decided to stroll around the shop, Amber shop.
And go for the coffee later. What Amber shop? Ale we not shopping Amber, no?
No, I show you how, you know, for those of you who likes jewelry made of the stone. So this one is the popular here. You know?
Dobra. So this is how they sell the Amber. Very, very popular here. Look how many people actually are interested of potentially having the Amber, you know? It's quite a lot. Yeah, I see. Start like this one. Mostly necklaces, sayang, or medallions. Like this one. Like this one. So nice, no?
Pięknie.
No tak.
Ale piękne.
Very nice. And you have a whole entire alley of this one, and it's like an oval place, and you can go all around. There's like a park, city park, and nobody's selling you anything except the stands. So there is no lady approaching you to buy something.
Kochanie, look at the flower. Mama really likes the flower.
No tak.
What's which is?
Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, tak.
No tak, like a nice garden and everything. I think that's the city hall actually, I'm not sure. And the hotel is behind.
And the thing is that it's just like a 25-degree, but it's not as humid, and it's really enjoy walking.
For you it's a little bit chilly because you still have a jacket with you, but for me it's perfect. Okay, one more fixation, if I can say that. That was Sheraton, not Sofitel. I don't know why I said Sofitel. I just messed up. Both S like Sanur and Sopot, so forgive me. Bye, bye. Also, they have a crystal casino. So. Idziemy casino?
Nie ma pieniędzy. Let's go over there.
Dobra. Oh, Starbucks they have on the beach.
Let's walk over there, which is?
Dobra. Sayang is that excited as I have no power to film it behind Sayang. Look, going, let's right. What's going on? Yes.
Sometimes it's the Grand Hotel, which is?
The Grand Hotel.
It's the hotel.
No. Yes.
Look, on the right side here, which is?
No.
Oh yes, like in Nusa Dua vibe or in Sanur vibe, you know, white sand beach with the restaurant view and the place like the parasol umbrellas where you can sit, enjoying the sunset, enjoying your drinks. The something is that there is no beach club here, so that's why more into like a family friendly, and that it is not the party goer, but I'm not sure. Maybe at night the party here, but seems like not.
Dobra. Idziemy. So you don't have a microphone. I don't know if people heard what you said. Generally, Winnie said is there is hotel, look like a Nusa Dua in short, right? Yes, Saya. And you are so excited to show that to the people. And beautiful weather, actually. That's correct. That's the bars like this one. Look like a really. Not tak. This they have a special beach for them only, like a private one. This actually belongs to the hotel Sofitel, if you would like. Sheraton. Why we always this Sofitel and Sheraton, I think, next to each other. And then actually you have a sand. Look like this one. Sand is very soft. We have a shush. And there is the pier actually, like this one. What we were last time there, the boat and Sayang enjoying the happiness of the sun.
That's the Grand Hotel.
Yeah. Oh, Sofitel, Grand Hotel, Sheraton. You name it.
Like the previous one when I record by myself, I feel so nervous. I always saying to my husband, I am nervous. It's just like the mixed feeling of, I don't know. It feels like it has been long time we didn't record ourselves like working or talking on the beach. It's just like, you know, my brain is just like, oh my god, I don't know what to say about showing my happiness.
No tak, Winnie is very excited, I have to say. Really.
Thank you.
Not tak, 5 hours driving, but worth it, no? And we have to come back the same day today.
Oh my god. And also Sopot is famous for the sunset. Maybe we can watch sunset and enjoying our beer or coffee somewhere.
Coffee o'clock, right? That's the thing. That's the bit. And all the surroundings around look like this one. Generally, there is also like a little island or something. Actually, this is the not island. This is the land generally. And
It's like the island from the distance.
Ja wiem, ale it's generally the part of the land. The Gdynia is there. There is the huge harbor behind actually. And Nusa Dua vibe. 100%, so 100%. Nice sun, people enjoying, castle from the sun. The only difference is they have a pier. Famous pier, very big one. Alright. Happy? Also a little bit more vibe behind the hotels. There's like a park, sunset time, nice promenade, yeah?
And then over there in the park is actually so many children playground. So it's really like a family friendly beach. And
What that sound? So many bottles, sayang. Because that's the yacht club, sayang. They don't have beach clubs. They have a bar, beach bars, but not beach clubs. That's different. And yeah, this is it. Sayang, so lovely. Yes, what would you like to say?
So the thing is that here mostly popular is during the summer. And the difference between Bali or Southeast Asia in general, like Bali or Thailand, all the year you can experience like this. Yeah. So the thing is that the most important thing is that safe and clean.
And half year.
Half year. But I really enjoy it.
4 months. But it's enjoyable. That's true. Okay, let's go for coffee, no? Alright, let's go. And by the way, one more view of the park.
Yes.
How calm is it?
The thing is that here bicycle is for bicycle.
No,
Walking is for walking.
no, not tak. That's what you see, yeah? And that's the most biggest difference.
So you feel like you walk safely
Not tak?
and enjoyable.
Yes, that's the one of the hotels here.
And look at the design, it's very European like, no?
Not tak, very European. You're not gonna find like this in Bali though.
No.
However, this one is already like in Bali.
The thing is that in every entrance they put like the number, like for example like Sopot 21 or Sopot 17. So I think that's easier for the people to navigate where you are and which.
In case you lost your kid like a Kevin Home Alone. Or adults get lost themselves after too many drinks. That also may happen.
You just the
And they have even palm tree, look.
nice.
You see?
restaurant.
See? So nice. And this is what is actually the biggest difference. The architecture like this between Europe and Asia, which is this one look like Asia. Literally, you could find anywhere in tropical islands or in tropics or in South America. And this one more like this one here. And this is the... Now I'm still confused. Neither Sheraton, neither Sofitel, but I think Sheraton eventually. And also very beautiful architecture. Some places. Fountain. And of course carousel from the Squid Game. No, just game, regular carousel, not Squid Game. However, same, different. Very nice.
Look at this building. Very nice.
So beautiful, isn't it?
Carousel. Ding.
So there is like the mother pushing the baby on the basket, and Winnie just said to me, maybe you could buy for me like that, so when you tie it I would have called you like this, huh? And this lady still plays. Oh, look at the dogola. No tak.
She's so pretty.
No tak. No tak again. Tak. Very beautiful.
Oh, kochanie, zobacz, there is even a kite in the sky. I'll show you.
No.
Tam, which is in the... Oh, which is the kites on the sky. Oh, that's so lovely. It really reminds me my hometown, the tropical vibe in Bali. Tak?
No tak.
What we have, kochanie?
Macchiato and yagojanka.
And then during the summer, this is yagojanka season. My favorite one was yagojanka, the sweet buns with the blueberries. Macchiato for the dessert. Smacznego.
And generally we're sitting in the nice place again next to the water. Smacznego.
Dziękuję. So I think that's all our video today from Sopot, Poland. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
See ya, take off.